Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to find my URL on LinkedIn. This is pretty simple and straightforward, so let's get to it. First thing you will have to do in order to find your URL is going over to your profile, and you can do that both ways, which is the first one is click on your name right here, and the second one is going over to your profile picture and then click on view profile. Now, once you are on your profile, basically navigate to this right section when you can see profile language, and under that it is public profile and URL. This is your URL right now, and you can change it if you want by clicking on this pencil icon, and it will open up this new window where you can edit your custom URL. Click on this pencil icon and just change your URL to whatever you want. So let's say I will add a 4 right here, and then simply press save. Your custom URL is changed, as you can see, so you can go back to LinkedIn, refresh it, and see my custom public URL has been changed. It is really this simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.